Respected President, Honorable Principal, teachers and my dear school fellows, good morning. As you know that we are gathered here to celebrate World Ozone Day. Mr. President, today I get an opportunity to speak about ozone or ozone layer. As you know that World Ozone Day 16 September was designated by United Nations General Assembly as an International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. What is ozone? Ozone is a natural gas composed of three atoms, oxygen occurring naturally in the atmosphere. This is found between 20 to 30 km above the Earth's surface. Dear students, ozone layer is a very precious gift for us from God because it acts like a blanket as a natural filter, absorbing the sun's ultraviolet rays and protecting the living beings. Dear fellows, now we discuss on the causes and effects of ozone layer depletion. It affects human health as causes of skin cancer, asthma and human immune system too. In the marine system, damage has been seen in development stages of fish and also harms reproductive systems. Honorable audience, plants photosynthesis reaction and biological decomposers which play role to clean the environment also affected by sun's UV rays. Dear fellows, if we talk about the significance of ozone layer 2021, it is as important as water on the earth. It is as important as air on the earth. It is as important as the fuel on the earth. It is as important as the plants on the earth. But unfortunately, we ignore its importance. My dear fellows, it is a protective shield in the stratosphere of Earth's atmosphere. This layer is responsible for absorbing and preventing harmful UV rays from penetrating the Earth's surface. Honorable teachers, I am sorry to say that the ozone layer is getting thinner. Chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons are a reason we have a thinning ozone layer. Mr. President, in the 1970s, people all over the world started realizing that ozone layer was getting thinner and that this was a bad thing. Many governments and businesses agreed that some chemical like aerosol can should be outlawed. Sorry to say that from 1970 to 2021, nobody can understand to what to do for saving of ozone layer. All harmful chemicals are used in factories as usual. Not any action, any law is not to be enacted by any government or any organization. Dear students, now it's our period. We must understand this fact and act like a responsible citizen. Honorable Mr. President, the ozone layer has slowly recovered. If people, businesses and government work to control such pollution. To grow more plants, we will be able to control pollution. More plants, more oxygen. More oxygen, less pollution, strong ozone layer. So now, everybody pledge to himself that we will be control pollution by growing and saving of plants. Thank you.